building on what is there, to build better, to have better economies that are creating jobs for our young people. Secondly, to deal with the question of substance abuse. And thirdly, to join with others to form governments or be part of governments, current and future. And I think I could not have said it better, that democracy is a competition of ideas. And ultimately, one team gets pronounced as winners. The important thing for all of us is to join with that team and move the country forward, move the county forward. I was super pleased with the very candid discussion by these leaders here, that first, they don't want isolationist politics. They do not want politics of confrontation. They do not want politics of slander and name calling and smearing each other's characters. They have said clearly, and I'm very, very pleased with it, that what we need are leaders who bring ideas to the table and who persuade they persuade us and they persuade other leaders to follow those ideas so that we can build on a far better Kenya. I associate myself with the ideas that it is truly possible to transform Kenya to a globally competitive economy in one generation, in our lifetime. And you only need to look at where we've come from in the last 20 years. The income per person has gone up about 7 times between the year 2003 and today.